Attention to Romeo Alpha 123, if you copy 30 Lima Sierra 001.
Yes, good morning, 001, 2 Division Radio America, 123 South Alabama.
Okay, my friend, thank you very much for answering my call. Please QSRI 540, let's go.
540, thank you.
Okay, to Radio America 123, thank you very much for answering my call. The best 7351 to you and your family. This is 30 Lima Sierra 001. Operator Charlie from the northwest of Spain, city of Leon, like Lima Echo Oscar November. Back to you.
Yes, no problem, my friend. Sounding very good coming out of northern Spain today to the Gulf of Mexico. Not very many conditions for Europe today here on the very first contact for me. My personal here is Brad, Bravo, Romeo, Alpha, Delta. Microphone back to you.
Okay, Brad, thank you very much, my friend. Your radio report from northwest of Spain in this moment is signal 0, but your radio is 4. Okay, very good radio. Because today the conditions from North America is very poor from here, from northwest of Spain. The propagation today is very closed. But I copy you. I understand very well your station. Okay, Brad.
Hey, no problem, my friend. Yeah, 5-9 for you on the last over. 5-9 for you on the last over. So doing a very good job today. Yeah, conditions are very poor. I was surprised this morning in my station not to hear any VX coming from Europe there. So a lot of stations from the Caribbean, but a few from 44 Division, but nothing from Europe. So maybe it sounds like propagation is starting to pick up between us, my friend. Microphone back to you.
Okay, Brad. Here again too much stations from Caribbean. Okay, Barbados, Jamaica. Too much, and I speak with 2 Lima Victor 2 ACs from North Carolina, but very bad QSO. Okay, Brad. My working conditions are the CV transceiver President George. The microphone is the Tagi Mike Bravo +9, and the antenna is American antenna, is Solarcon IMAX 2000. And one amplifier Zetagi my Bravo Victor 2001, and my power in this moment is 1 kilowatt. Okay, Brad, what is your working conditions? Back to you.
Yes, my friend. Congratulations on your nice working conditions. Conditions for me today here are ICOM 756 Pro 2. I'm running the Pro 2 ICOM along with the Heil microphone. My studio microphone is a Heil 781. I'm transmitting with my new antenna system. I just got through building my antenna. It's a stacked 5-element Yagi. I've got 2 5-element Yagi stacked at about 120 feet there, running about 1,000 whiskeys, 1000 whiskeys there. Microphone back to you.
Okay, Brad, very good conditions. Icon transceiver and 5 elements Yagi is very good. Okay, Brad, no problem. Brad, is it possible the change of QSL card with you?
Yes, if you would like to exchange, I can. I can give you my email address. It's just like my radio. If you'd like to respond to my email, I can get your address that way, and we can exchange cards if you like. My email address is just like my radio station. You just have to spell it out. Radio America 123 at hotmail.com. Really, you just spell it out. Radio America 123 at hotmail.com. QSL.
Please repeat again. Is 2 Romeo Alpha 123 or only Romeo Alpha 123?
It's only Radio America. You have to spell out radio, Romeo, Alpha, Delta, India, Oscar, Spell it all the way out. Radio America 123 at hotmail.com.
Okay, no problem, my friend, no problem. I copy very well you in this moment, but no problem. Okay, this afternoon I send for you my personal QSL card, 100%, Brad. Okay, please, what is the weather in your country in this moment?
Yes, I'm located in South Alabama, so that is in the most southern part of the United States. I'm located right next to Florida, and I'm right on the Gulf of Mexico in South Alabama. So making a very good trip here today, my friend. 10 over on the last over there, so it looks like maybe conditions are starting to pick up there. Very nice contact with you today, my friend, and hopefully I got you on the logbook now, and if you'll respond to the email, I'll definitely try to share that back with you and see if we can turn off the car door. So thank you, my friend, and sounding very nice, and good DX to you today from Brad, 2 Division Radio America 123 in the Gulf of Mexico. Ciao, ciao, and talk today, my friend.
Okay, Brad, thank you very much, my friend. A pleasure to speak to you. Okay, the best 7351 to you and your family. Good luck, good DS, and I hope to meet you again on frequency on very best conditions, Brad. Thank you very much. To Romeo, to Radio Alpha 123, to 30 Lima Sierra 001. Thank you, Brad. I see you.
Hey, no problem. I was going to tell you if you're familiar with the 27dx.net, I do have a personal page on there if you'd like to look at my equipment and my antenna system that I use. 27.net, and just put in my call sign, and you can see my personal page there. Microphone back to you.
Okay, Gary. I have sorry because I don't speak English very well, but I am in ds27.net also. Okay, I share to you in the web. Okay, Gary. Thank you very much. I see you.
Okay then, my friend, and good DX and Super Sound Station. You have their audio very nice here today, so thank you for the good DX contact, my friend, from 2 Division Radio America 123. Ciao, ciao.
Okay, Gary. Ciao. Thank you very much.